Austria has become the first country in Europe to approve mandatory COVID-19 vaccinations for adults. The mandate begins next month, despite a wave of protests. The new legislation passed with 137 votes in favour and just 33 votes against in the 183-seat parliament. The measure was announced back in November. It was part of a bid to drive up the country's flagging vaccination rate. 72% of Austrian residents have now been fully vaccinated against the COVID-19 virus. The new law takes effect on February the 4th. Under the legislation, those holding out against the jab could face fines of up to $4,100. The measure applies to adults, except for pregnant women and those with a medical exemption.
Totalitarismus, das, was der Einzelne will, das zählt nicht mehr, es zählt nur mehr das, was für die Masse gut ist, und das, was für die Masse gut ist, das werden uns in Zukunft Kapazunder vom Format eines Herrn Gesundheitsminister Mückstein vorgeben. Die werden uns sagen, was für die Masse gut ist, und derjenige, der sich nicht daran hält, wird verfolgt wie ein Krimineller.
To incentivize those who are still wavering, the government is launching a lottery for the vaccinated. €500 vouchers will be used as prizes. It can be used in shops, hotels, restaurants and cultural and sporting venues. The daily infection tolls in Austria continue to break records as well as elsewhere in Europe, including in France. But Prime Minister of France, Jean Castex, says the wave of infections due to the Omicron variant is subsiding. He says France will therefore begin a gradual lifting of restrictions.
L'évolution de la situation nous permet d'envisager un allègement des contraintes dès les premiers jours de février. Nous pouvons l'envisager parce que nous disposerons très bientôt d'un nouvel outil, le pass vaccinal, que la représentation nationale a voté et qui entrera en vigueur lundi prochain, le 24 janvier, sous réserve bien sûr de la décision du Conseil constitutionnel attendue demain.
From January the 24th, a certificate of vaccination will be required to enter public venues like restaurants, cafes and cinemas. Since the announcement of that vaccine pass, 1 million French people have got vaccinated. 93% of French adults have had at least one dose.